How to remove your activities from your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile, and once you're here click the 3 points, click edit profile, scroll all the way down until you find your interests. Now just remove it and then click this save icon here in top corner, save it again, and that's it. I hope that can help you. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.